Hey guys, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, September 27th. Hope you guys had a great week. Everything is pretty good here. My son's birthday was on Wednesday, so we're busy celebrating that. Of course, he turned 21, so we went out to dinner and he ordered a cocktail. So that was fun for him. And I made my famous, I make the Hershey's chocolate cake. It's called like the Perfectly Chocolate Cake. It's a recipe on the side of the Hershey's cocoa tin. It's so good if you make it with the frosting. We make it for like all major birthdays and events here. My sisters do too. So if you want to try the best chocolate cake ever, make that cake. So I am still in my kitchen. As you can see, I had a flooring company come this week. Skip ahead if you don't want any chit chat till you see me start showing stuff. So I just wanted to update you guys because a lot of people have asked about my craft room. So I had a flooring company come and they are gonna install LVP luxury vinyl plank flooring, which I have in my new master bathroom. Really like it, so I think it'll be a good choice for my craft room. Picked it out, signed everything, so it takes like 3 to 4 weeks for them to get the materials in and to schedule. So I will be out of my craft room for a little while. I might actually set up a table to film and do some crafting in there. I'm not sure right now. I'm still doing stuff in my dining room, and I've had a busy week and haven't done much crafting, so things are just kind of crazy right now. So bear with me. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. I do have a KS craft video coming up. I'm almost done with some projects. Let's get into the haul and we'll talk more later, but let me announce the winner of my 13,000 giveaway, 13,000 subscribers giveaway. Thank you so much to everybody who left such nice comments last week, and I'm glad you guys are here to support my channel and just to interact with me, and I really love having you guys here, and I hope my little giveaway shows my appreciation, and of course there'll be more to come. But the winner of this week's giveaway is I used a random comment picker. I'll leave a screenshot. The winner is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Creation. So congratulations, Mimi. Please email me at the address in the description box and I will email you the gift card for scrapbook.com. So thanks again to everybody who entered, and stay tuned for more giveaways to come up, and congratulations, Mimi. So the first thing I want to show you is I placed an order from 3craftchicks.com. And I never ordered from them before. I've heard of them. I know a lot of you guys have ordered from them as well. So I was looking for more Gingerbread Kisses, which is a collection from Doodlebug. It came out last year, I believe. Yep, 2023. So a lot of places are sold out and they only have like 1 piece or 2 pieces. And I wanted to get a bunch more because I've been using it a lot in my Christmas projects this year. And I just love it. I don't want to run out. So I Googled this collection and I found a lot of pieces at 3craftchicks.com, and what a great company. They sent me this really nice little note that says, "Thank you, Jennifer, for your order. This is one of my favorite collections ever. Enjoy crafting with it. Michelle Crafts." Or Michelle Craft. And she sent me a doodle pop, a free doodle pop, and I don't even have that one. So thank you so much, Michelle, if you're watching. I am so impressed with how quickly everything came and your selection, and I will definitely order more. And shipping was very reasonable. The cost of everything was very reasonable. So I will leave their link down below, 3craftchicks.com, in case you want to check them out. So I will show you what I got. I got the 12 by 12 of Gingerbread Kisses. I'll do a quick flip through in case you haven't seen it before, or in case you want to grab some too, because it is the cutest collection, and I hate that you find things one year and then that's it. So the 12 by 12, you get this page here, and it's got the really cute tonal cookie print on the back. This is one of my favorites with the gingerbread people, and it's got the stripes on the back, or strips. There's this rainbow piece, which I've used just if I need like a small solid color die cut, and I'll put my die on top of one of the stripes from this and just cut it out. So that's what I found that works for. And of course the flat on the back is super nice. Sorry for the glare. It's a really rainy day here and I had to put my overhead light on. So We're just gonna have to deal. Thanks for dealing with it, with me, you guys. All right, and then there's this piece with the cute lights, and then just the cut aparts on the back. Yeah, this angle is not good either. Sorry, guys. And then this is like a hot pink polka dot, and it's got the December daily or advent calendar cut aparts. This is one of my favorites, pink background with the cookies. And the back of that one has the sprinkles. I've used that a lot. The stripes here on this page, and these cut parts are just so cute. Let me put this down so you can see everything. And like, I don't have my big tall chair up here too, so I'm sitting on a kitchen chair, so I had to lower my tripod, and I'm not used to this view. So sorry if I cut stuff off. I'll try to keep an eye on that. And then we have this pretty page here, and then cute hearts on the back. A cute gingerbread color background with polka dots, and then more cut aparts, which are so cute. I love these sentiments on the side. Just so love this collection. And then we have all the candies here, and that's the back of that one, the snowflakes. So I went last weekend to visit my friend, I told you guys, on Long Island, and oh my gosh, we had so much fun. It was just such a fun girls' weekend. One of our other friends came down. She lives up by Albany, and she came down for the weekend too, and we saw one of my other really close friends who lives in town. And then we went to the beach because it's Long Island, and one of my high school friends is a singer in a band, and they happened to be playing that day, so we went and saw them, and oh, it was just amazing. And we had lots of good food and wine and just so much fun. So I really needed that after the week I had last week. So if you have, if things are going bad in your life, your girlfriends can, really help. Not that things are going that bad. I mean, things that can't be fixed, or things that can be fixed. So I don't mean to complain, but yeah, it was just so nice to get away. So I showed you that, and the stickers, of course, and then I got the 6x6 too. This was hard to find, so I was glad that 3 Craft Chicks had it. Just got a lot of the same papers, just in a smaller scale. Sorry, I forgot to open that up. And then I got the puffy stickers, which I've been using a bunch of these lately. I just love the little mugs with the gingerbread and the marshmallows and the snow people. They're all so cute. And then I didn't think I had these, so I picked these up, the sprinkles, the little enamel dots. And then I got another pack of these, the Chit Chat, because I do like using these a lot. This is what that comes with, all these different sentiments. I really love Doodlebug Chit Chat. And it does come with some pieces of ephemera too, so it's mostly sentiments, but they're all different sizes, different kinds of sentiments, and yeah, I just love these. So I got those, and that's all I got from 3 Craft Chicks, and very happy to have more of that in my collection. And then, let's see. Okay, I have some Walmart things to share with you, and one thing from HomeGoods. Let me share the HomeGoods thing. This is a Christmas decor, and it's as big, well, maybe it's about like 12 inches or so. And my dishwasher's on, in case you're wondering what that noise is. I'm a mess, you guys. Thank you for bearing with me. So this was $12.99. It was still on the tank. It was from Peppermint Square, and they had 2 of them. And I just grabbed it because I thought it was so cute, and it'll really go with my Christmas pastel gingerbread decor that I have in my kitchen and my dining room. So I just love how pretty it is. I love the trunk of the tree. It just looks like, swirled like candy canes, and there's a donut at the base of the tree. It's got donuts all around it. It's very glittered, and then a pretty donut and bow on the top. So I thought that was so cute. So I picked that up at HomeGoods, and now I'm all glittery. Okay, so Walmart, I got a few things in the Christmas section. I got this little ornament. I don't think I showed this to you yet. If I did, I apologize, but it was in my dining room, and I didn't think I did. But anyway, so this was $1.98, which I thought was a great price for this cute little enamel mug. And it's got hot cocoa drips on it, a pile of marshmallows, cute little gingy on top, little candies and candy canes sticking out. So that I thought was a great deal for $2, and that can, I might hang it on my tree, might just use it for decor. And then I picked up these picks, and these were $1.98. These were in like the gingerbread ornament section where this was. And let's see, are they called anything? I don't think so. Just, yeah. But anyway, they have the like alligator clips on the bottom, and I thought these would be nice to add. I mean, they're supposed to be for your tree, but I thought I'd add them in like pictures or something like that with floral arrangements. And they look like gingerbread cake balls with red and white sprinkles on them. So, and of course they're glittered. So got 2 of those. And then these, I'm really not sure if I showed you or not, but these are 6 mini ornaments, and they're super cute, $2.48. And there's a gingerbread guy, snowman, they look like little mugs, a Santa, penguin, he's got some marshmallows, Mrs. Claus, and an elf, and he has marshmallows too. So I thought these would be really cute to like add to dangles or something like that. So got that. And then a couple other things that are not, well, not that those are crafty related, but some really non-crafty things. I picked up another Pusheen calendar. I get one every year for my craft room, and this is, hold on, let me show you, $9.96. In the calendar, well, there was like a, you know, kind of like a stand in the middle of an aisle. So yeah, so I get this every year, and I just love it. This is what the months look like, in case you want to see. And they always come with stickers too, which I add to envelopes. So home is where my butt is in January. So I can't wait to have my craft room back. Like I was telling you guys, you know, just to put stuff back the way I want it. I'm going to leave stuff out that I'm just not going to use again, and just have nice flooring. I'll probably get a nice big rug too. So I just can't wait. So, you know, in the meantime, I'll just craft elsewhere. It's no big deal, but it is nice to think that I'll have it back again. And the last thing I want to show you are these PJs. They were just putting them out at my Walmart, and these are by holiday time. Look at the print on these. They're like a aqua, like a minty aqua green color, I guess. More green, but it has like a minty kind of look to it. And these have the little vintage deer on them, and they're kind of like a lightweight fleece, I would say. So let's see. They were $19.98. Yeah, it says mint, and I couldn't decide between the patterns. They had this one, they had a black one with gingerbread on it, which was really, really cute. I almost got them both, and I was like, I don't need to spend $40 on PJs right now. They also had a red one that had like vintage girls in a kick line dressed like Santas. That was so cute. They had a blue one with vintage snowmen on it. I think that might be it. There might have been another one, but oh my gosh, you guys. So if you, I wanted to show this to you because I know you guys like these vintage reindeer too. A lot of you do. And so it comes with like the, you know, pajama top, and then it comes with the pants too. So just to, you know, show you what it comes with. I didn't see any nightgowns in this pattern, but those might come out too. But here in Syracuse, New York, we need warm PJs at Christmas time. So I thought these were just so cute. I couldn't resist them, and I hope you guys like them too. I'll probably get the other ones, you know, at least one other pair once I'm back in Walmart, but this one I had to have with the vintage deer. So I think that is all I wanted to share with you guys today. I hope you enjoyed my little haul. Let's see what's going on. So yeah, like I said, I will have the Chaos Craft video up. That'll probably be on Saturday. And I know that the Scrap Diva Designs October release is a tad bit delayed. I'm not sure when it's coming. Erica just said it's a little bit delayed, so I haven't gotten that yet to share with you. But when I do, I will give you a preview of the dies when they come in. I'm not sure what the theme is next month. Very excited to see. And yeah, so that is about it. I would love to hear what's up with you guys. And next week is my birthday, my daughter's birthday, so another big birthday week. So I'll be busy with that, but of course, hopefully fitting in some crafting and some hauling. So stay tuned for more videos. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment. I'd love to know what you like about all of the things that I got today. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And Mimi, don't forget to email me. Congratulations to you, and thank you to everybody who left me such nice comments. It really, really means so much to me. And I will talk to you guys later. Have a great weekend. And yeah, that's it for now. Bye, everybody.